Did you know that millions of people in the United States suffer from nerve problems? Whether it's due to injury, aging, or underlying health conditions, nerve damage can cause a range of uncomfortable symptoms. Today, we're going to reveal 7 incredible vitamins that can help repair nerve damage. So, if you're experiencing nerve issues, you definitely don't want to miss this video. Before we dive into the vitamins, let's take a look at some early symptoms of nerve problems. These symptoms can vary depending on the type and location of the nerve damage. Nerve problems often manifest as tingling or numbness in the affected areas, such as the hands, feet, or limbs. You might also experience muscle weakness, pain, or a burning sensation. But why do these symptoms occur? Well, nerve damage disrupts the proper transmission of signals between your brain and the affected body parts. Now let's talk about the first incredible vitamin for nerve repair: vitamin B12. Many people with nerve problems have low levels of this essential vitamin. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of your nerve cells and protecting the myelin sheath, which is a protective coating around the nerves. When you don't have enough vitamin B12, your nerves can become damaged, leading to those uncomfortable symptoms we mentioned earlier. Additionally, vitamin B12 is essential for the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your nerves. Sufficient oxygen supply is vital for the optimal functioning and repair of nerve cells. Without enough vitamin B12, your nerves may not receive the necessary oxygen, leading to further damage. You can get vitamin B12 from various sources. Animal products like meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy are excellent sources of this vitamin. If you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, you can find vitamin B12 in fortified plant-based foods like breakfast cereals, nutritional yeast, and plant-based milk alternatives. In some cases, dietary sources may not be sufficient, and your healthcare provider may recommend vitamin B12 supplements. Next up, we have vitamin B6. Many people with nerve problems have low levels of this essential vitamin. Research suggests that vitamin B6 is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals between nerve cells. By supporting the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, vitamin B6 promotes proper nerve function and can help alleviate symptoms of nerve damage. A deficiency in vitamin B6 can result in impaired nerve function, leading to issues like numbness, tingling, and even muscle cramps. So, where can you get vitamin B6? Fortunately, it can be found in a variety of foods. Good sources of vitamin B6 include poultry, fish, bananas, avocados, spinach, and whole grains. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can increase your vitamin B6 intake and potentially support the repair of your nerves. Moving on to vitamin D, another crucial player in nerve repair. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to nerve problems, including peripheral neuropathy. This vitamin is involved in the regulation of calcium levels in your body, and it helps maintain the health of nerve cells. A systematic review published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2019 examined the association between vitamin D deficiency and peripheral neuropathy. The review suggested that optimizing vitamin D levels could have a beneficial effect on nerve function. By ensuring you have adequate vitamin D levels, you can support nerve repair and potentially alleviate some of the discomfort caused by nerve damage. So, where can you get vitamin D? While sunlight is an excellent natural source of vitamin D, you can also find it in certain foods. Some foods rich in vitamin D include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of vitamin D. In addition, you have the option to include cod liver oil, egg yolks, fortified dairy products, and mushrooms in your diet. These specific foods are rich sources of vitamin D. Now let's explore the benefits of vitamin E for nerve repair. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. It also assists in maintaining the integrity of the myelin sheath, which we mentioned earlier. The myelin sheath is a protective covering around nerve fibers. Vitamin E plays a role in maintaining the integrity of the myelin sheath, ensuring proper nerve function and efficient signal transmission. By including vitamin E in your diet or through supplements, you can provide your nerves with the support they need to heal and function properly. You can boost your vitamin E levels by incorporating foods such as almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, avocado, olive oil, wheat germ, hazelnuts, and peanut butter into your diet. Our fifth incredible vitamin is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Thiamine is essential for nerve function and helps convert carbohydrates into energy that your nerves need to function optimally. Adequate vitamin B1 levels ensure that nerve cells have the energy required for proper signaling and transmission of nerve impulses. Vitamin B1 is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that facilitate communication between nerve cells. Neurotransmitters are crucial for transmitting signals and maintaining healthy nerve function. Vitamin B1 also has antioxidant properties that help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin B1 supports the overall health and integrity of nerves. A deficiency in vitamin B1 can lead to nerve damage and a variety of nerve-related symptoms. So, it's crucial to ensure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. You can incorporate foods like brown rice, oats, lentils, beans, peas, nuts and seeds, pork, fish, organ meats such as liver and kidneys, eggs, oranges and spinach into your diet. These foods can increase your intake of vitamin B1 and support nerve health. Next, we have vitamin C, a well-known vitamin with numerous health benefits, including nerve repair. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress caused by free radicals. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, it protects nerve cells from damage and supports their overall health. Vitamin C is also essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that forms the structure of connective tissues, including those in the nervous system. Collagen provides support and strength to nerves, ensuring their proper function and integrity. Additionally, vitamin C is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals between nerve cells. Adequate levels of vitamin C are necessary for the production and proper functioning of neurotransmitters, facilitating efficient communication between nerves. By including foods like citrus fruits, berries, kiwi, papaya, guava, bell peppers and broccoli can support the healing process of your nerves. Last but not least, we have omega-3 fatty acids, which are not technically vitamins but play a vital role in nerve repair. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can damage nerves and impede their function. By reducing inflammation, omega-3 fatty acids support nerve health and contribute to the repair process. Additionally, DHA, one of the essential omega-3 fatty acids, is a major component of cell membranes, including those of nerve cells. It helps maintain the integrity and fluidity of the cell membranes, promoting optimal nerve cell communication and signaling. Omega-3 fatty acids also possess neuroprotective properties, shielding nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. This protection helps preserve nerve cell structure and function. By incorporating fat fish, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts into your diet, can increase your intake of omega-3 fatty acids and support nerve health. So there you have all 7 incredible vitamins that can help repair nerve damage. If you're experiencing symptoms like tingling, numbness, or muscle weakness, incorporating these vitamins into your diet or discussing them with your healthcare provider may provide some relief. Remember, nerve repair takes time, so be patient and consistent with your approach. Thanks for watching.